Today I show you how to rename your Mac. You can do this with a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or any Mac really. The name of your MacBook Air is what the network and other devices see it on the internet or on the local network. And if you want to change that, it's easy to change it. Usually it's going to be your name. You open the settings by going to Finder, System Settings, or you can simply open the Settings app from the app list. The Settings app has this kind of icon with gear, so you'll find it from Finder or from the Settings app. And then go to General and About. So you see it's Dragos MacBook Air. So that's the name that it has now. You simply select the text and you can change the name. It's that easy. So once you change the name here, you press Enter. You really don't have to. You just go back to another menu, and if you go back to the About settings, you will see that the name is already saved. If you want to make sure that the name is changed, you can restart your Mac, but it's really not necessary. So yeah, you can also check the personal information you have. You see I have the iPhone 5S, it's still working. So this is the new device info now. I just put some MBA like MacBook Air, so it's easy to see it and not too many words there, too many letters. And now this is the new device name for this MacBook Air. You can do this the same with your iPhone, iPad, any Mac Mini or MacBook Pro. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.